Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trace images in Adobe Illustrator. So for instance, you've drawn a logo, you're not very good at pen tool, you can basically trace using Illustrator. This is my artwork anyways. As you can see, my name is cropped, but I just wanted it to be cropped. Select the image. If this doesn't show up, just go to object and then image trace. Select make and expand. Then, as you can see, there's not, well, I only traced this part. So if you go to image trace here, there's going to be these options. So I'm just going to select, I think there's 6 or 16 colors. I'll do 16 colors. And it's going to trace all of the colors. Select expand, and you're just going to select ungroup so that you can kind of remove the rest and you can kind of change the colors of everything now. For instance, I want the shirt to be pink instead. I can do that. Can change the pants to be like a pink color as well, and the hair too. It can basically change everything. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you... I think I said that already. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!